guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve day 19 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 650, two keys keyboard. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. So there is only one character A on the screen of a notepad. Okay, you can perform one of the two operations on this notepad for each step. First operation is copy all. You can copy all the characters present on the screen. Okay, a partial copy is not allowed. Okay, so whatever the characters that are available on the notepad, we have to copy all the characters, not a partial copy. Okay, paste. You can paste the characters which are copied last time. Okay, so we have given an integer n. We have to return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. Okay, so problem statement is easy. So now let's understand this with an example. Okay, so here n is equal to 3. Okay, so initially there is only one character on the notepad. Okay, so A is there initially. Okay, so first thing that I am going to do here, I am going to copy this character. Okay, I am going to copy this character A. Okay, so this is going to be my first step. Okay, I have copied this character. This is going to be my first step. Then after that I am going to paste this character here. Okay, so pasting a character is going to be my next step. Okay, so total two steps here. Okay, then after that again I am going to paste it. Okay, and this is going to be my third step. Okay, so here my output is going to be 3. Okay, because I am totally taking 3 steps for my A character to be 3 times. Okay, so n is equal to 3 times. Okay, so here initially we have one character A. In step 1 we use copy all operation. Okay, so here I am using copy all operation. Okay, in step 2 we use paste operation to get AA. Okay, paste operation. Then in step 3 we use paste operation to get AAA. Okay, that's it. So we have to just return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n times, right? So this 3 is going to be my output. Okay, so here let's suppose my n is equal to 10. Okay, then how I'm going to do if my n is equal to 10? Okay, then initially there is just one character on my notepad. Okay, A. So first thing that I am going to do here is I am going to copy this character A. Okay, so let me copy this A. Okay, this is going to be my first step. Okay, I have copied this character A. Okay, then my next step is going to paste this A. Paste this A. Okay, paste operation I'm going to use. This is going to be my second step. Okay, so now my notepad is going to look like this. Okay, this is done. Then my next step is going to copy, again copy all operation. I'm going to apply copy all operation, and I'm copying this AA na, right? Copy all operation. So this is going to be my third step. Okay, so now I have copied this complete part. Okay, I have copied this complete part. Okay, now my next operation is going to be paste AA, right? And this is going to be my fourth step. Okay, so I have pasted AA here. Okay, AA. Now again I am going to apply the paste operation. I'm pasting here. I am pasting AA for the fifth time. Okay, fifth step. Okay, so here I am pasting AA. Okay, then after that again I am going to apply the paste operation. Paste AA. Okay, and this is going to be sixth step. Okay, so here let me just paste AA. Okay, now again I am going to use this paste operation. I am pasting AA. Okay, because I have copied AA in the last time. I am going to paste it again. This is going to be my seventh step. So here let me just paste it. Okay, so now I have this character A exactly n times, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so how many steps I am performing here? I am performing total 7 steps. Okay, this 7 is going to be my output. Okay, so here just see one logic. My n is equal to 3. Okay, so if my n is equal to 3, so here 2 1. Okay, so here what I'm getting 2. I'm just going to divide this 3 with 2. Okay, so I'm getting here 1, right? Okay, but here this is not completely divisible by 3. Okay, Okay, so see here, there is one logic. Okay, so here in this case my n is equal to 3, right? So here I have to divide this 3 with a number so that I can get the remainder as 0. Okay, so if I just divide this 3 with 2, then I will not get my remainder as 0. Okay, I need the prime factors of this one, basically I am saying that. Okay, so if I divide this 3 with 3, okay, 3 with 3, then I am going to get my output. Okay, so 3, if I divide this 3, okay, then I am getting my remainder as 0. Okay, so I am just going to give this answer here, 3. Okay, in this case there is no other prime factors now, so just I am giving this 3. Okay, now see here, observe one pattern here. So 10. Okay, so first thing, I have to start, I have to divide this number using the prime factors only. Okay, so first 2. Okay, so I am going to divide this 10 with the 2. Okay, 10 with the 2, definitely I am going to get my remainder as 0. Okay, so I can do that. So here I have to write 5. Okay, this is done. Then after that, now next time my number is 5. Okay, so can I divide this 5 with 2 and get the remainder as 0? No. Can I divide this 5 with 3 and get the remainder as 0? No. Can I divide this 5 with 4 and get the remainder as 0? No. I can divide this 5 with 5, then I will get the my remainder as 0. Okay, so here I am just going to divide it with 5. Okay, now what I am doing, I am just going to perform the addition of these two. Okay, so I can write my number 10 as 2 into 5, right. Here I can write my number 3 as 3 into 1. Okay, I am not considering this one. Okay, in the addition. Okay, so I am not going to consider it. I am just going to perform the addition of these two. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, okay, so I hope that this line is clear. Okay, so now let's say my n is equal to 24. Okay, so when my n is equal to 24, then just write 24 here. So if I divide 24 with 2, I will get the remainder as 0, so I can do that. So just I am going to divide it using prime factors only, right? So here 2 again 6. Okay, 2 6 12. Okay, then 2 3 6. Okay, so I can do that. Here I have to write 3. Okay, so that's it. So just perform the addition of these numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 is going to be the my output. Okay, number of operations. Okay, so we have to just derive this logic using different examples. Okay, so you will always find that if we just do the summation of all these numbers, we will get our output. Okay, so for there is one more thing here. So for, let's suppose my n is equal to 2. Okay, n is a prime number. Okay, so for this there is just one a, I copy it, then I paste it. Okay, so total operation is 2. Okay, for n is equal to 3, n is nothing but my prime number. Okay, so here single a was there, I just copy it, one operation, then I paste it, then I paste it. Okay, total 3 operations. So 4 n equals 3, then 5 is the prime number. Okay, 5 is not visible by any number other than itself or 1. Okay, so 5 is a prime number. So for 5, a was there, then I copy it, then I paste it here, then I paste it here, then I paste it here, then I paste it here. Total number of operations is 5. For n is equal to 7, so for n is equal to 7, see, 1a, copy it, paste, 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 paste it here. Okay, and again paste. Okay, so here copy, paste, 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 total 7 operation. Okay, so for all the prime factors I will always get the output same as my n value. Okay, for all the prime numbers. Okay, because for prime number there is no other factor na. So let's take the example of any other prime number. Let's take the example of 23. So 23 is only divisible by 23 na. Okay, it's not divisible by any number, so output is going to be 23 only in this case. Okay, so this is a logic that basically we need to derive. Okay, here in this problem, simple math. Okay, and code is also going to be very simple for this, just I think 5-6 lines maybe, hardly. Okay, so let's write the code. Okay, so initially my sum is equal to 0. Okay, and I'm going to start from my first prime number, that is nothing but int x is equal to 2. Okay, this is done. Then after that I have to run one loop. Okay, inside this while loop I have to check that my n, okay, n value should be greater than 1. Okay, until then I have to do the factorization, right? Okay, so inside this I also need to check that my n modulus with x, okay, I will get my remainder as 0. Okay, this is what we need to check, right? So inside this, if this is possible, if this condition is satisfied, then I have to just add the factor, right? Sum is equal to sum plus the x value that I have. Okay, this is what we need to do, and after that I have to just modify the n value, right? So here what I'm saying, so see, n is equal to 10. So first I have to find this number. Okay, so 2, if I multiply with 5, then I will get the remainder as 0. So after that I have to check for this 5, okay, later on. So then my n will be modified as n divided by x. Okay, that's it. And every time my x will be incremented. Okay, this is done, and in the end we have to just return sum. That's it, return sum. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted, right? So now here let me just give few other cases here. So let me write 23. Okay, let me write here 7, let me write here 5, let me write here, okay, what are the other examples that I've written? 24. Okay, I have written 24, I think. No, oh, yeah, write 24 here. Okay, now let's run it. So see, 4 3 we are getting 3. Okay, 4 1 we are getting 0. Okay, because 1 is already printed now, we don't need to do any operation. Okay, so for 23 I'm getting 23. Okay, since this is a prime number, right? Then this 7 is a prime number, I'm getting 7 only. Then this 5 is a prime number, I'm getting 5 only. Okay, and then in the end I have explained about 24 somewhere, yeah, here. So for 24 I'm getting output as 9. Okay, so see here, 24 output is 9. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution beats 100% of users with Java, right? So now let's see the time complexity for this problem. Okay, so let's consider the worst case complexity. So let's suppose that my n is equal to 23. So if my n is equal to 23, right, then in that case I have to increment the x many times. Okay, I have to check until 23. Okay, okay, so in that case I have to check for all the values of x from 2 to 23, right? Only then I will get my perfect answer. So worst case time complexity that I am going to say is going to be of n in this case. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding, keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.